Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another beautiful time to receive from value. It has been awesome in this training, it has been awesome in this masterclass, from one level of value to another. From I also enjoy everybody's input and all you have been doing to make this a success. Kudos to you all, to all my mentors, Malik Haruna and Plan B. I just want to say, oh, thank you guys. You guys have been awesome in putting this together. To my wonderful wife, thank you also. Today is another day, and we're going to be talking about something that is a revolution right now in the digital marketing space, and that is WhatsApp marketing. We're going to be talking about WhatsApp marketing. So this is a guide to WhatsApp marketing. A guide to WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp has come out with a new feature called the WhatsApp business. So not the regular WhatsApp. They know the need for businesses to go mobile, so they've come with what we call WhatsApp business. Okay, and with 1.5 billion monthly active users around the world, you cannot go wrong for business activities. You cannot go wrong with 1.5 billion monthly active users. That's about one fifth of the world's population right now. One fifth of the world population being active on WhatsApp. So using this for business activities cannot be a wrong venture. The best reason to use WhatsApp for business is that many of your customers are probably already using it. It's the largest messaging app platform now on the surface of the earth, with more than 60 billion messages are sent through WhatsApp every single day. More than 60 billion messages. That means an average of about 8 messages per person on planet Earth. So can you beat that? Okay, so it is one of the best tools to use, especially in your nurturing of your leads. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we all know how to use WhatsApp already. So now is to use WhatsApp for business. So the steps are very simple. First, you need to do is to download WhatsApp for business from your app store. So if you're using an Android or an iOS device, you go to your app store and download WhatsApp for business. You register your business number and your profile, update your profile, then you edit your profile. Also edit quick replies, short links, and aware messages. Then you create labels to segment your contacts and to manage your work. Okay, then use broadcast lists and groups for marketing. So then there's also a tip: for every message you send out on the broadcast or group messages, you tell them to save this number so they can get more information from you. We'll be doing all that practical, and I'll be showing you how to do it. I'll be showing you all the steps, how to go about it, and how to set it up. It is for you to watch and pay attention and do the best thing. I'll be doing this on my phone, so we'll be moving over to my phone now. Just stay tuned, get prepared as we move over to my phone. So first of all, I'll be going to my app store. I'll be going to my app store. I'm using an Android phone, so I'll be going to my app store. That's for Android. We use Google Play Store. Where is that now? Just hold on. We're going to the Google Play Store. Okay, that is it. Play Store. We click on Play Store and we search for WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business. That's what we're going to be searching for. So as I said, we're searching for WhatsApp Business. Okay, you can see it. WhatsApp Business is there already. So I click on it and I'm going to install it. It's quite light, 23.40 MB. So wait for it to get installed. Okay, so that download is successful. We're now installing the app on our phone. Okay, so it has fully installed now. So I'm going to open the app. So you can see it's from Facebook. Facebook acquired WhatsApp in 2014, and they launched it, and WhatsApp for Business has been doing wonderful. So WhatsApp Business is a simple, secure, and reliable way for business to connect with their customers. So if you're a realtor and you're using WhatsApp for Business, please let there be a change of plans. Move your WhatsApp to WhatsApp for Business, or create a new WhatsApp for Business. So I agree and continue to the terms and conditions. Okay. Say use this number for no. I don't transfer that one. I want to use a different number. I want to transfer this number 00323099959. So I click on next. They'll be verifying the number, no problem. It says verifying, beautiful. So my two-step verification, I have a two-step verification on that former one, so I'll just put that in. Please, it is very good to have two-step verification for WhatsApp so that somebody else doesn't log into your WhatsApp. I got nearly hacked with that some months ago. They nearly hacked into my WhatsApp into my normal WhatsApp. Okay, so to find out your backup, continue, allow,